It's called the Venus Project, but it has nothing to do with the second planet from the sun. Squat lobsters batting off slender sole when they come too close. It's life off the coast of British Columbia, and scientists in Newfoundland can watch it on their computers. So can anyone else with internet access. The CBC's Eve Savory reports on the planet under the sea.
On a dark winter's night, a ship anchors in the Saanich Inlet.
Okay, coming up.
An operation begins. A strange black object rises from the deck, begins its journey to the ocean bed.
93 meters, 93.
The mystery object, the heart of a pioneering scientific experiment, a real-time 24/7 laboratory under the sea.
We're trying to find a way with Venus to put instruments in the ocean that we can connect to the world.
Venus, Victoria Experimental Network under the sea. Its 3 kilometers of cable are now connecting information sent by that black object, the node, through the internet to computers anywhere in the world.
It's just connected through port number 1 here.
This week, Venus opened a portal, a door to a continual stream of data, temperature, salinity, oxygen. And movies of juvenile pollock, squat lobsters, flatfish, and zooplankton. As the ocean warms, as storms or earthquakes shift the bottom, scientists will be able to monitor data, video, and sound and see how life here reacts.
So if we can start today with our first datum and 20 years from now be able to call it up to compare, that's incredibly valuable contribution.
So, information from Canada's Pacific Ocean can travel 7,000 kilometers to our Atlantic shore. When Paul Snellgrove wanted to study Pacific creatures, he had to go there. Now he can be here and there. Venus, he says, is the beginning of a revolution in ocean science.
And so it means that somebody in Newfoundland, or Saskatchewan for that matter, can participate in research off the coast of British Columbia, where in the past that would have been very expensive and difficult to do. So it really has made the world's oceans accessible to just about anybody anywhere in the world who's interested.
Venus will be the test, the prototype for much bigger undersea laboratories, such as Neptune, a Canada-US project to cable 3,000 kilometers off the British Columbia and Washington coasts. But for now, the view is limited to a small but suddenly fascinating corner of the world, the seabed of Saanich Inlet. Eve Savory, CBC News, Vancouver.